Good evening and Jai Hind students. Today I am going to start a new chapter of geography, that is mineral and energy resources or mineral and power resources. So first one we will just discuss about minerals. So a mineral is a naturally occurring inorganic solid with a definite chemical composition and an ordered atomic arrangement. This may you seem a bit of a mouthful, but if you have break it down it becomes simpler. So minerals are naturally occurring, they are not made by the humans, and minerals are inorganic. Now we use minerals in every day. Every person use product made from the minerals every day. The salt that we add to our food is the mineral. Then it takes many minerals to make something as simple as a wooden pencil. The lead is made from the graphite and the clay mineral. The brass band is made from copper and zinc, and the paint that colors it contain pigments and fillers made from a variety of minerals. A cell phone is made using dozens of different minerals that are sourced from mines throughout the world. The cars that we drive, the roads that we travel, the buildings that we live in, and the fertilizers used to produce our food all are made using mineral. Then if I talk about the United States, so in the United States there are 3 trillion tons of mineral commodities are consumed each year to support the standard of living of 300 million citizens. So that is about 10 tons of minerals material consumed for every person every year. Now the different types of minerals. Minerals are classified based on their crystal form and chemistry. Minerals are divided into two types, namely metallic and non-metallic. So first one is metallic minerals. Metallic minerals exhibit luster in their appearance and consist of metals in their chemical composition. These minerals serve as a potential source of metal and can be extracted through mining. Examples of metallic minerals are manganese, iron ore, and bauxite are metallic minerals and be divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals are that one contains iron, and non-ferrous are one that does not contain the iron. The second category of minerals is non-metallic minerals. So non-metallic minerals are the minerals which either show a non-metallic luster or sign in their appearance. Extractable metals are not present in their chemical composition, like limestone, gypsum are the examples of non-metallic minerals. So bauxite ore mostly exists in deeply weathered rock. Volcanic rock contain bauxite deposits in some region. Iron metal extracted from iron ore, it never exists in pure form and has to be extracted from the iron ore by eliminating the impurities. And gold is the oldest and most precious element is to be known.